Alright, hello. So this cast on is really similar to a long tail cast on, but it's a lot stretchier, which means that it is great for things like socks or mittens or things like that. So what you're going to do is you will have the end of your yarn that has the end on it and the end that is connected to the ball. You're going to do similar to a long tail cast on. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the end that is not connected to the ball, and then that will go over your left thumb. The other side that is connected to the ball will go over your pointer finger, and then you will connect both ends under those three fingers like this. So it goes similar to a long tail cast on. So you're going to put your needle in the middle, and then you are going to press down. So if you're looking at your hand now, you have sort of these bottom two strings and you have this top string that's over your pointer finger. So to start, you are going to go underneath both the bottom two, back over the top one, come all the way to the one on the pointer finger and grab that. But then in order to get it through this bottom loop, you sort of pull your thumb down and bring it through that loop to pull it tight. So let's do that one more time. So we go underneath both those two, we go over just the top one, over the one on the pointer finger, pull our thumb down and pull the yarn through. Underneath both of them, over the top one, wrap up to the very top yarn, flip our thumb and pull it through. And once you get going, you can get going pretty smoothly with this. It won't take as long. You just need to get a couple repetitions in and then it will start flowing. All right, happy knitting, guys.